Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 4 of Term 4. I'm super excited about our unit content for this week because I think it's in perfect timing for your midterm exam that will be due on Sunday. This week, we're going to be learning all about our learning styles as well as some different study strategies that we can use to be successful. I'm not sure how many of you have studied or learned about your learning style before, but it really is so helpful to understand how you learn best and the things that you can do to tailor your study strategies to your learning style. You'll also be learning some different note-taking techniques this week, some different activities that will help you tune in your listening skills as well as your memory. So be sure to start early on Monday and complete your reading and your interactive exercises and take notes along the way so that you're prepared for your Sunday exam. I would encourage you to not complete your exam really early in the week. Sometimes students will do this, but keep in mind that you only have 2 attempts at the exam and your highest score will stand. So you want to wait until you have a mastery of the unit material before you take the exam. I also wanted to give you a little pep talk this week as we're almost halfway through our course. And this is the time every term when students tend to flounder a little bit. They can lose their motivation, and that's understandable. Sometimes the exhaustion of college along with our personal lives can take its toll, but I want to encourage you to keep going. You can do this. We're halfway there, and think of how good you'll feel when it's all over and you've been successful. I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about the Covey habit for this week. That is, begin with the end in mind. And I want you to think about, as you read about this habit this week, that beginning with the end in mind is all about having a vision and a goal or intent in everything that you do. So think about your intent or your goal for this course when you began. I know many of you set SMART goals in Unit 2 that you wanted to pass the course with a certain grade or you wanted to improve your time management. So think about the steps of how you can get there. And beginning with the end in mind is just all about your focus and intent. So as you go throughout your weekly activities this week, make sure the things that you are doing support that end goal that you have for the course. I'm here for you along the way, and I'm here to support you. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. You can text me. Many of you are already doing that, and I really appreciate it. Remember that I'm here to help you. Should it be ever intimidating to contact me, I want to support you, and let's make it a great week.